is my kitchen. Today we're gonna make some salt dough. You need 1 cup of salt, 2 cups of flour, and 1 cup of warm water. First, we're gonna need the salt. So now we put it in the bucket. Now we need warm water so it dissolves the salt. And then you have to mix it. Now it's time to mix. Now it's time for the flour. Here it is. If it's a little too sticky, then put a dash of flour in it. Then mix it again. And it should look like this. Next I am gonna try and make a melted snowman. I'm gonna start with a bowl like this big. First, you have to cut. So now you need a little circle for its head. And you need to cut it in half. And maybe make it a little bit more circular. Now I got the body and the puddle. So I'm almost done. You can use a paintbrush and a bowl of water to make it a little bit more sticky. Now I'm finished. Now you need to try and carefully pick it up. I'm trying to use a spatula. And then carefully put it on a cookie sheet. Carefully.
Oh!
Here's a fact to pass the time. It takes around 350 ears of wheat to make enough flour for 1 loaf of bread. Oh my gosh, that's so interesting. Why do seals live in salt water? Because pepper makes them sneeze. Isn't that hilarious? And you need to bake at 250 and it might be an hour or 2 until it's ready. Because it kind of matters how thick it is. And here's my snake. It's pretty cute, I think. And this is my melted snowman, what I'm working on right now. I just need to put the arms on. So I have to make the ends. And this is my melted snowman. Bye for now.